There are three main types of data sources we can connect to in Tableau. We have flat files, databases, and cloud data. In this lesson, we are going to connect to the Superstore dataset file, which is a Microsoft Excel file. Click on Microsoft Excel. From the dialog box, go to where you saved the data source and open. Once connected to the data, you are brought to the data source page. The Excel file name is the default title of the data source. You may change the data source name if you want. Changing the data source name does not change the Excel file name. On the left pane, we see the type of connection we have to Tableau. The name of the dataset, Superstore dataset, is shown, and it tells us as well that this is a Microsoft Excel file. Further down, we see the different sheets currently in the Superstore dataset Excel file. And I can show you that is the case by opening the Excel file. This is a Superstore dataset, and we can see that we have the orders sheet, the people sheet, as well as returns. So the sheets we see here are from the Superstore dataset file. When Tableau imports data from a flat file, the individual sheets are treated as tables. In other words, we have the orders table, the people table, as well as the returns table. We can quickly view the data in each of the sheets by clicking on View Data next to Orders, and this is going to load the data in that sheet for us. We can do the same thing with People and Returns. Once we decide to start working with our data set, we can drag the sheet we want to work with onto the canvas. For now, we're just going to drag orders and just drag it to the canvas. Tableau automatically loads the data. Above is the canvas, and below we have the data grid. The data source name is Superstore, and we are using the orders table. This shows we are connected live to the data source. We will talk later about live connection and extracts. On the left of the data grid, we have additional information about the data. This is called metadata, and we can collapse the metadata. We have all the fields from the orders table, and this tells us we have 21 fields and 9,994 rows. There is a scroll bar to view other fields from the data grid.